So how are you reading the markets right now, and how's business?
Well, I mean, what a difference a year makes for Skybridge, and so we had a great year, arguably probably our best year across the board. Obviously, our cryptocurrency exposure did quite well. Our core funds have done well, and I think it's because we stayed bullish. And so we had a very bad year in 2022, and this has been a recovery year for us. I do think 24 is set up nicely for the overall markets, because if you look at oil prices and you look at what's going on with inflation and the reconnection of the supply chain, you're likely going to have a possible disinflationary or deflationary shock, and the Fed's going to have to get ahead of that now. And so Bill Ackman, I think, is going to be right. They'll end up cutting rates. If not in March, certainly April or May. I think that'll be very good for markets, very good for asset prices.
Okay, so cuts are coming. And what's interesting is that markets have also been able to basically rally through higher interest rates, but also the rise in geopolitical risk premium that we've seen as well, whether that's Russia, Ukraine, whether that's US, China, Taiwan, or of course the situation we see unfolding in the region now with Israel. You think this market rally has legs? How much higher can we move up through December and the start of the year?
I mean, well, some people are saying the S&P is going to 5,000. I'm probably not as bullish as that, but I mean, could we have a 12 to 15% return next year in the broader averages? I think so, because again, things retrace themselves. 2022 was a arguably very bad year, super bad year for tech. This has been a big recovery year. You have 493 stocks, Dan, that are still not in great shape on a relative basis. And so I think you'll see a recovery in those names and probably a tempering of some of the technology names.